guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviar Kez. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today we're going to be talking about this straight wig. I know it's been a minute since we've done a straight wig, and we have a little bit of a tutorial because we did do some curtain bangs. Today's hair sponsor is Geeta Hair. They sent me this 24-inch straight wig, 13x4 virgin human hair, HD lace. Had a lot of hair on the hairline. I did go off camera and I plucked some of the hairs, and it could still use some more plucking, but I did it while having it on my head. And you know, we don't recommend doing that because I've made a few wigs bald. So anytime I'm plucking on my head, I like to just do very little, and then after, when I take it off and I wash it and stuff, I can go in and pluck it some more. This wig is also 250% density. I would agree with that. It is definitely very full. but towards the end it is looking a little scraggly, but it's not as like silky and smooth as I would have loved it to be. It is definitely not lower quality hair, so automatically my expectations for like a high quality virgin hair wig is, yeah, for it to have a little bit more sway and, you know, not really just like stay in one place. I kind of want it to be like swaying and bouncing around. Like that's how I like my straight wigs. That's like my favorite type of straight hair, where it's like bone straight, silky smooth. It is definitely 24 inches. See like how it's just a little scraggly there? I would just like to go in and just tidy it up just ever so slightly. And do you see like the difference that makes? Now let's pull this side together. Like this looks better than this, no? Now it's obviously no longer 24. Would we not rather it look like this than like what it was looking like earlier? So I did bleach the knots on my unit and I left it to air dry. This is what the knots are looking like. I think I want to go in and add some more layers to this wig. When you're using a razor like this, you're not supposed to use it on dry hair, but this is a wig, so the rules don't really apply. Because I don't really have a layered straight wig right now. Actually, I do have one, but it's not even that like layered, so I wanna layer her up. So what I'm trying to do is somewhat follow what I've been doing here and carrying through those layers. Now you should cross-check your hair to see if you basically did up. Okay, so now we have some long layers put through the hair. I'm definitely going to perfect the layers off camera, but that's basically a little sample of what it's going to look like. And of course, this hair is pretty straight, so it doesn't really want to keep the curl in, I'm noticing. So if you really want that curl to stay, you got to really bump those ends. That is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you found it helpful, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. It really does go a long way. If you guys want to find out more about this unit, I'm going to leave all the information to Geeta Hair in the description box for you. Bye for now.